Now here it is, three terms are very important, right? And especially for our domain in doctors, these three things is very important. These three things are actually a pillar of personal brand. कोई भी आप इसको एक को हटा दोगे ना, दूसरा complete नहीं होगा. It will fall down. Your personal brand will fall down. It is how people see you and what you offer. Okay. So what are the three principles of personal brand? Skills, experiences, and the value. Let's talk about the personal branding for doctors and hospitals, especially the individual personal branding. Branding is the promise that you want people to remember you. What is the personal branding? A personal brand is a public perception, okay, of a person based on their skills, experience, and values. Now here it is, three terms are very important, right? And especially for our domain in doctors, these three things is very important. These three things are actually a pillar of personal brand. कोई भी आप इसको एक को हटा दोगे ना, दूसरा complete नहीं होगा. It will fall down. Your personal brand will fall down. It is how people see you and what you offer. Okay. So what are the three principles of personal brand? Skills, experiences, and the value. This is important framework for personal brand. The innermost circle of personal brand is your goal and passion. Okay. So your goal. Why do you need a personal brand? What you are looking from a personal brand? That should be very, very clear to you. Then you decide your target audience and the key messages. The core value is what you want to serve or you want to message to your market.
Then comes the content part. Content, you can create all different types of content. Your passion and your goals will drive what target you want to give. And then the target audience is going to give the key messaging. And through the various marketing channels, you'll be actually giving the different type of contents. This is the second point. Why you have to do? What is the reason behind it? So, personal branding. Personal branding will establish the trust and credibility for you and your work in the market. It is actually telling the people that you are having this service or this offerings and these skills you possess. That has to be properly packaged and then marketed. It will attract better opportunities for you. Whenever you get some speaking opportunity, turn to other and word of mouth publicity, this actually converts into various networking and LinkedIn opportunities also. Then you will have enhanced visibility and recognition. You will have recognition all over the, if you are in a small town or your state, you can be nationally recognized and you can get international recognition. This is all exponentially growing parts. Then you should have strong online presence, so that if there are people who are seeing for the clarity or justification that whether they should come to you or not, strong online presence, it will be something that they should find you everywhere and influence your industry. You will be an influencer and your word will have a weightage, your word will be taken respectfully, and they will also follow what you are talking about. That will make sense. Now coming on to what is the impact of a good personal brand. The impact of a good personal brand, we'll discuss one by one. It will increase the patient footfall. Definitely it will have a good impact on the people coming to you. It will increase the conversion. So many times what happens, people come to you for consultation, don't get operated by you, the procedure is not done by you, he goes to somebody else. There the trust factor comes. So you want to put the stop to the doctor shopping in the market, and you want to have a reliable stream of patients that are getting converted into your procedure and surgery also. Then you should have a personal brand which should be impactful. You want to get rid of cut practice. If you want to have rid of cut practice, then what you have to do, you have to influence them, and the influence should be such that it will create a inward pull and patient will directly reach out to yourself. It will decrease the employee attrition rate also. How will it decrease the employee attrition rate? So if you will increase the brand, if you become a bigger person in the community or society, then people will love to work under you. They will have, because जब हम share market की बात करते हैं, there are some stable companies. People want to invest in that. Why? Because they feel that they are big and they will be not go away overnight. So there is reliability, there is trust, and there is a feel of pride in the company. Similar for the brand. They help you find the good partners. So in any case, this is a trouble for so many people. They are trying to search partners, but the partners go away. That is because you have to bring something to the table, and that is the brand that you bring. Nothing else is comparable. So one person is doing more surgery, one person is doing less surgery, and one person sees more patient, one person sees less patient. Partnership has a shaky way. Go ahead. But if you have a good personal brand, you always attract good partners. And you can build a reputation in your circle. We just discussed that if you have a reputation, it actually build over a period of time. Once you have a reputation, people will take your word seriously. There are unseen and unthinkable opportunities which will knock your doors. You will find there are invitations from far-flung countries and different states for speaking opportunity and discussing opportunity. And this is the brand which is there behind it. So you don't expect, and those things will come to you.